Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys? Hope you all are fine and doing very good in your life. Today I am going to show you latest stylish and beautiful shiny leather pants and leather leggings ideas for girls and women's 2021. In this video, I'm just going to show you latest fashion about leather prints and leggings designs. My dear friends and dear viewers, I hope you like and enjoy this video. If you like this video, share this video with your friends, with your sisters and different social media accounts. And viewers, if you want to buy these beautiful and gorgeous pants, I will tell you some famous websites from where you can easily buy these beautiful and gorgeous pants and leggings pattern. You can buy this beautiful and stylish pattern from AliExpress, Dressly.com, Amazon, Costi.pk, Light in the Box, Gucci, Jimmy Choo, and so on. Also viewers, you can buy the stylish and amazing dresses from your market and different dresses shop. I always do try show you latest and new fashion through my videos. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section. You can tell me in the comment section how was the videos. Dear viewers and dear subscribers, we all are following trend. And viewers, let's talk about the latest trend. Black color pants, black color shiny, gorgeous high-waisted pants and jacket style for length long shoes ideas, gloves videos are today's fashion. So if you love follow trend, you will buy a beautiful gorgeous pants and try these beautiful pants. Also viewers, if you are interested to see different videos, please visit to my YouTube channel and you can see latest jackets videos, latest gloves videos, full length long videos, shoes and boot collection videos, handbags designs and different long powered dresses ideas. So please visit to my YouTube channel guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will be right back with a new design, new style and new ideas. Take care, keep supporting me and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys. Thank you once again. Bye bye.